Chapter 14, Section 2 and 3. Bless you. Section 2 starts us out on nutrition. If you want to start in your book, just so you know what page we're on, that starts on 405. Your body needs what that's found in food? What does your body need? Go ahead, Tyler. Nutrients, but that leads to nutrition. Nutrients. N-U-T-R-I-E-N-T-S. Number 1. What do nutrients provide? Say it again? No. They provide energy, E-N-E-R-G-Y, and materials for what 3 things? What do nutrients do for our bodies? Anybody remember? Cell development, growth, and repair. Cell development, growth, and repair. Cell development, growth, and repair.
Can you put all of them?
Yes. Cell development, growth, and repair. Raise your hand if you're not ready to go to the next one. Okay. Are you good now, Bailey, or not yet? Cell development, growth, and repair. Okay, great. Number 2. You need energy for every activity your body performs. Energy. Letter B. I've already got the video going. You're just going to have to wait. Letter B, classes of nutrients. There are 5 nutrients that we're going to talk about. I'm going to list the 5 first. We've got proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals, and water. Those are your main 5. Now we're going to go through each one and talk about some information under each one. Number 1 is proteins. What are proteins used for? Go ahead, Bradley.
Replacement.
Very good. Replacement and repair of body cells for growth. Replacement and repair. Does anyone know what proteins are made out of? These are called the building blocks of protein. You probably heard this. Jalen, what do you think?
Amino acids.
Amino acids. A-M-I-N-O acids. Amino acids. Number 2 is carbohydrates, which they already have there for you, don't they?
Yeah.
Okay. Letter A, it's the main source of what for your body?
Energy.
Energy, very good. It's the main source of energy for your body. Letter B, sugars are simple, S-I-M-P-L-E, simple carbohydrates, such as starch and fiber, Sugars are simple. Starch and fiber are what kind of carbohydrates?
Complex.
Complex, very good. C-O-M-P-L-E-X. The next category is fats. Letter A, they provide energy and help your body to absorb vitamins. V-I-T-A-M-I-N-S. Energy, first blank. Vitamins, second blank. Fats can be classified 2 ways. What are the 2 ways we can classify fat? Anybody remember? Go ahead, Noah.
Is it saturated and unsaturated?
Unsaturated, but yes. Unsaturated, U-N-S-A-T-U-R-A-T-E-D, or saturated, S-A-T-U-R-A-T-E-D. Next category is vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are needed for growth, regulating body functions, and preventing some what? Diseases. Very good.
Not the COVID.
Well, it can't hurt anyway. Number 5 is water. The human body is about what percent water?
60.
60%. Very good. And B, you lose water each day when you perspire, which is sweat. If you want to write sweat, it's the same thing. Exhale and get rid of wastes. And the last category is the food groups. The food pyramid, or you probably called it the food guide pyramid, same thing, helps people select foods that supply all the nutrients they need. Number 2, foods that contain the same nutrients belong to a food group. And then the 5 food groups: bread and cereal, vegetable, fruit, milk, meat. Bread and cereal, vegetable, fruit, milk, meat. And that's all for section 2. Let's go ahead and move on to section 3. We're getting close on time, but we'll see how far we can get.
What's number 1 of food groups?
Food pyramid. Yes? I can't hear you.
What was the number 2?
Carbohydrates? Is that where you are? I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, the first blank then is energy. Is that where you are?
It is.
Okay. Section 3 is the respiratory system. Letter A, functions of the respiratory system is to supply oxygen. If you want to write O2, that's fine, to the body. Number 1, what is the movement of the chest that brings air into the lungs called? Breathing. But yeah, you're right, it's inhale and exhaling, but it's breathing. B-R-E-A-T-H-I-N-G.
Yeah, the line like this big.
Oh, I'm sorry. Number 2, what do we call it when oxygen is used by the cells to release energy? What's that process called? Anybody?
Cellular respiration.
Yes, cellular respiration, correct. C-E-L-L-U-L-A-R, respiration. R-E-S-P-I-R-A-T-I-O-N. Number 3, the waste products of cellular respiration are carbon dioxide, or you can write CO2, and water. Letter B, organs of the respiratory system. Number 1 is the pharynx. P-H-A-R-Y-N-X.
Can you spell that again?
P-H-A-R-Y-N-X is a tube-like passageway used by food, liquid, and air. And I'm going to do one more, and then we'll stop there for today, and we'll continue these tomorrow. Air passes through the larynx, L-A-R-Y-N-X, which contains the vocal cords used to speak. And we'll continue there tomorrow because we're just about out of time.
What's the